What's up, y'all? Y'all know who it is. Y'all know what it is. It's your boy JP comes out with another how-to. This is your first time tuning into the channel. Please consider subscribing. We do Q&As, car audio tutorials, radio removals, all that good stuff. Today, I'm going to show y'all how you can mount your speaker in the factory bracket if you don't want to buy the bracket that goes to it or buy the harness and all that good stuff. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so this is a 2017 Hyundai Elantra, and of course he could have bought the bracket and bought the wire harness and all that type of stuff and made this so much easier for himself, but he didn't feel like doing that. He wanted to save some money, and that's no problem, because what we're going to do is actually mount our 6.5 in this bracket. So what we're going to do is actually destroy the speaker. We're going to cut it out right here, rip all that stuff out, and then we're going to cut all those little plastic brackets. Now when you have a hard plastic bracket, this is the easiest way that you can do it. If you have the metal ones, I suppose that can work as well, but I would just do it if they were plastic. So let's go ahead and get this thing in, and let's start cutting. If you don't have a sawzall or anything like that, you can take some cutters, some pliers or whatever that has something that could cut on the end, and just cut this stuff out as much as possible. It may take a little longer, but it's still gonna give you the same idea. Now I understand that every car is not going to be like this, but this is just a way that you can kind of bypass buying all those extra brackets if this application applies for you. I'm just making the video so the guys can actually, so you can see exactly how to do it. So let's get this sawzall and let's go ahead and get cut. Alright y'all, so I got my 6.5 cut. I'm gonna go ahead and take this thing out right now, and I'm gonna wire up some speakers. We're gonna do a military splice, and we're gonna hook it up right through here. Probably gonna end up drilling a hole in between this. Since we destroyed this speaker, we're not gonna be able to use it anymore, so I'm gonna drill a hole inside that, run my speaker wire through, and then we're gonna mount that 6.5 right there to that bracket. Alright y'all, so we have our speaker mounted to our factory bracket. We've drilled the hole, ran our speaker wire out of here, tapped into our positive and negative lead. I'm on a wire on the harness. Now technically I could have cut this harness off and just use some butt connectors, but I did a little wire to wire military splice and tape right here. If you guys find any value in this video, please don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment, all that good stuff. Until next time, it's your boy JP signing out.